A candle flares brighter than it should, and in that sudden, violent glow, the air itself seems to betray its secrets. It is the summer of 1774, in a quiet English laboratory, where sunlight pours through glass panes and dust hangs motionless, as if the room is holding its breath. Joseph Priestley is not searching for a revolution. He is curious, meticulous, almost absent-minded as he seals powders into glass vessels and guides sunlight through a magnifying lens. Yet curiosity, when sharpened by patience, has a way of cutting through centuries of belief. For generations, fire had been explained with stories, mystical elements, invisible spirits, the idea that something called phlogiston leaked out of burning matter. Air was just air. Passive, lifeless. No one thought it could be an active participant. Priestley heats a reddish powder, mercuric oxide, and a strange gas collects inside the glass. He doesn't know what it is yet. He only knows it feels different. When he introduces a flame, the candle doesn't sputter. It roars. The light grows fierce, almost hungry. Something in the room has changed. Then comes the moment that makes his pulse quicken. Priestley places a small mouse into the vessel. In ordinary air, time would be short. But here, the mouse lives longer. Breath after breath, unstruggling, alive. What kind of air does this? Priestley inhales it himself, carefully, and feels an unexpected clarity, a sharpness, as if his lungs have awakened. This is not depleted air. This is better air. Dephlogisticated air, he calls it, still trapped inside the old theory, not yet realizing he has shattered it. And here is the twist, the quiet hook that changes everything. This gas is not rare. It is everywhere. It is what fire consumes, what lungs demand, what life secretly depends on every second. Air is no longer empty. The revelation spreads beyond Priestley's lab, igniting debates across Europe. Others will rename the gas oxygen and strip away phlogiston forever. Combustion is no longer magic. Breathing is no longer passive. Life itself becomes a chemical dance between matter and an invisible partner we had never truly seen. In that sunlit room, with a brighter candle and a living mouse, humanity learns something humbling. We are not surrounded by emptiness, but by a force that feeds flame, fuels blood, and binds every living thing to the air. The world had always been breathing with us. If stories like this ignite your curiosity, help this channel breathe and grow. Like, share, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what hidden moment in history you want uncovered next.